For an elbow stand, I'm going to use a yoga block, and the yoga block is going to go kind of in this position. So my thumbs are underneath and my fingers are running along the side. The elbow position is going to be so that the forearms are parallel, and the shoulders should be slightly protracted and elevated. So I use, if I've never done it before, then I'm going to use the wall to sort of, for psychological reasons, so overcoming the fear. But basically you go into this position with the hands either side of the block, elbows are on the ground. Remember, I'm protracting and pushing through the shoulders. So in this position I'll kick up and over. The wall is there for me, engaging, pulling the belly button in, engaging the butt, pushing the elbows into the ground nice and hard. If you feel you have the balance, then you can explore the balance, and if not, then keep your feet back there before you come down.